Good night, everyone. This is Baha Pips. Today I'm going to be trading the Euro US dollar on the 1 minute chart. I'm just getting this recording set up. I took one loss just now. I had, show y'all right here. I had a buy right above here around 1.10238. I was expecting a breakout to higher highs of the day. Unfortunately, we got a stop out. So I got stopped out about 15, 13 pips and took 1% loss. Next up, I'm expecting price to continue on down, but we're a little deep into the range right now, so I'm not too sure if we're going to actually get this trade right now, but we are a little deep in the range. The pullback is a little strong, but it's not too strong, so I am looking for a possible break of the lows of preferably 1.10059, about 10 pips away. So I'm about to reduce my lot size now to 10 lot because 10 pips. I'm trying to risk about 1% still. But we're gonna wait. We're gonna watch. Gonna see what happens. Anything is possible. Okay, we are starting to pull back, but I need to see more thrust of the sellers coming in. So this is just a start, but I would like to see more selling. Oh, by the way, it's Friday, July 28th, 2023. It's the last week, or last day of the trading week, and also the last week of the month. So yeah, pretty much trading the end. Like I said, I did take a loss, unfortunately. But usually, if I take a loss, it's because the market is actually reversing or going into a long-term consolidation. Those are like the only two reasons why I actually take a loss is if it's reversing or going into long-term consolidation. So we're gonna see right now. I'm just there's already a trigger to get in, but it's a little too deep of a pullback, so I need more confirmation. That's why I'm a little bit waiting just for more confirmation. Once it breaks below, there's like a 14 moving average. Like I told you all in the previous videos, 14 moving average is just a little area I use. It's just the default moving average for the charts. Whenever I load up my MT4, the 14 moving average is already on it. So I kind of just leave it there. It doesn't really do much. It just shows me like real time price where it's at. I'm still not convinced of selling it yet. That's why I was telling y'all like we're still kind of caught up in that range, even though we did break those lows. So it could reverse and hit a false move, and if that's the case, then I would have to wait for new swing lows to be broken. The new swing lows would be right here. 1.10030 is now going to be lows I'm looking to break. I'll upload my IG in a little. I'm gonna update my IG in a little bit. I'm doing a little dual recording right now. It's a little conflicting right now, so I did get it like a trigger to get into a sell right now, but it's in a conflicting condition. What that means is that there's a couple of things. There's a few things. One or a few things that's making the buyers and sellers match to each other right now. And so like it could go up, but it could also go down. And because of that, I'm not gonna take a trade. Like I said, I'm predominantly bearish right now, but I would like to see more further confirmation since we're so deep into that previous congestion area. Okay, y'all. So I'm looking for a possible sell any moment now. I would like to see the seller just drive it down just a little bit more. I like this, I do like this. Like two more pips that I'm gonna enter a short. Becoming my second trade of the day. I just want to wait just because it's been a little bit of a delay for this entry, so just give me a minute. Never hurts for additional confirmation. It looks like the start of a strong bear trend if it continues down. Just need to see the close of this minute and a follow through, and then I may enter a short. I don't want to be too early. See what happens if I'm too early. It's only down, like, it only boils down to like a couple of pips, by the way, from a little bit early. Those of you that are blind, let me zoom in. Because, like, I don't need all this data anymore. I just need to see, like, the most recent. Just a minute. We are dropping, and I do like this. Always room for additional confirmation. We get into this sell, we are melting down again. Stop loss is about 9.7 pips. A little bit wide, but this is the first leg, so I expect it to drop more. 18. I'm gonna go for maybe right here, 25 pips around that. My phone keeps shutting off. I think I'm in low power mode, so I'm just recording this and just continuing this trade. This is trade number 2 of the day right here. I have not taken any other trade besides the one earlier, like I said. I took a loss on it. I took -1R. I'll show y'all that on the P&L in a second. Just a moment. We're risking about a little less than 1% for a possible. Using my left hand, so this mouse pad is trash. About 2,500 USD. I'm gonna show y'all that right now. You see that? 2,700 USD. And I could get out earlier. This is just, maximum profit I'll be willing to take. But I want to see the momentum build up in this. And as you can see, this is a sell. It's short that just now. And we are underway right now. And I call that live in front of y'all. So you can see that I actually do this. It's my choice. I could have bought it, by the way. I literally could have bought it. I could be buying it right now. So just letting y'all know. It's a sell. I trading a little later today because I was on the road earlier and I couldn't trade the London session, but I did look at my charts and there were a couple of nice entries that I missed out on during the London Open that I would have traded, but it's all good. Like I said, there's opportunity all day, and you can't get married to the trade. You can't get caught up in one little trade opportunity. You have to understand, like, as long as you're a great trader and you can read price action and know how to react to it, there's gonna be opportunity all the time. So you can get opportunity London session, US session, like simultaneously. Like most days I trade London because I'm in China and it's like right after lunchtime. But on a day like today, I'm trading US because I was actually on the road. I had some lunch earlier and I had a good day. I had a pretty good day. So everything was pretty solid and I just did not feel like trading earlier. Had to go to the bank, run some errands, and had some lunch. So that's that. It's currently 9:04 though, and I've been trading since 8:30. So I can actually move this down so y'all can see. Yeah, see that? 9:04, 7/28/23. So you got to the date. Yeah, I've been trading since about 8:30. So it's a little bit later in my day right now. I'm gonna just wrap it up. U.S. stock market opens around 9:30, so I have a swing trade opened up right now. It's not doing well. It's a Nasdaq pair, and the entire Nasdaq market has actually been declining the past week. It has not been that great. Yesterday was very trash. Like my pair gapped up and then it reversed and came very close to my stop loss. So not looking so good for Nasdaq. That's the tech stocks. NYSE's decent. I have some. I'm gonna be looking at Visa and a couple pairs for NYSE. I can actually show you all that in just a moment. Where is Visa? So that's natural gas. It's T bonds. I'm calling index Spain. Alphabet, Tesla, Meta, Volkswagen. Not really showing it. Very strange. Well, I can't find Visa. Let me try this. Equities. What the heck? Equities too. Where's Visa? Bro, where is Visa? Bro, did they take that off? I'm really kind of confused. Because Visa is a stock that I'm able to trade on this broker, but for some reason it's not there. It's not a futures. That's so weird. Wow. New chart. But Visa's not there anymore. Normally I'm able to trade Visa and Bank of America, but I don't see it. And that's so strange. Why did they take that off? See, this is why I like using a certain type of brokers. This broker I'm using right now is crap. It's trash. But I'll focus on that later. Right now, we're gonna watch this continue to drop in my favor. So y'all know what it is. Still moving in my favor. And I'm gonna try my stop loss soon, actually. So I am up a little over 1R right now. I'm gonna try my stop loss to break even in just a moment. I just want to show the magnitude of this drop right now. The sell that I just placed, I'm still in the money. So I already made up for my loss that I had taken earlier. And look at that, it's dripping, y'all. It's dripping. I love this right here. So right now, I'm actually going to trail the stop loss, and I'm still recording. You can see that little record button at the top. I'm going to trail the stop loss. I'm waiting for a confirmation. I don't want to trail it too soon because price is very volatile at this moment. But everything that I did call out earlier, it's working out. And this is my call. This is not anything that a professional bank is recording. Is reporting. This is mine. This is Baja's call. So I just want to let y'all know, like, this is what I'm doing. I don't have anything else pulled up. I don't have any like charts or anything. This is my own analysis. So yeah, I'm gonna bring it to break even in just like within the next 2 minutes. But yeah, this is all my own like breakdown. Like I chose this trade. I said that, hey, it's not going up anymore. Remember, I was bullish before. I bought it and I failed. So now I'm bearish because I have confirmation. I have my own patterns I read. Y'all can see that. Let me pull the crosshair up right now. So we've just been congested in the range. 1, 2, 3, just congested the entire time, right? And now we're getting that follow through to the downside. So as long as we break the lows, or what is that, 1.09914, I'm going to sell it. And I'm doing it right in front of y'all. Like, not sell it. I'm going to trim my stop. This is a trend continuation, by the way. I do expect it to continue on down. There's a lot of momentum, huge magnitude, great velocity. Everything is pointing sells right now. We're testing the lows right now. If you look all the way over to the left, there are some lows around 1401. This is my time zone. So there's some lows right here. This is what I call the pullback low. So you can see right here, it is a pullback low, meaning that once price crashes down into this low, it's more than likely going to pull back. So those of you that are still watching my video or watching my Instagram or whatever, I appreciate y'all because like not that many people do because they think that I'm capping and I'm just like, dog, like how many times do I have to show y'all? Like it's not even me showing the world, it's just me doing my own thing. Because I could be wrong any moment, any minute I could be wrong. It's not about like it's not an ego thing. This is truth. Like any minute I could be wrong. So what is to tell? What is to say that this is wrong? You know what I'm saying? Like I could be wrong. I'm gonna trail my stop right now. I don't need to risk all this. I'm going for. I'm going from 970 risk. Okay, I'm going from 970 risk. I'm gonna trail this stop after this minute. Actually, I could trail this junk to break even right now. Why not? And bam. So regardless of what worst case scenario happens, I'm getting out at break even. I don't know what's gonna happen. It could reverse and it could, hit that trailing stop. But I'll collect 70 USD, break even, and look for a reattempt. We'll see what happens. We don't know. But I'm not risk free in the trade, and y'all see that live in real time. So whatever happens, it's okay because I did do a good job trading. It was a good trade. It just means that sellers are not ready, and the market could be in some strange movement for the end of the week. We'll follow up in just a moment. look at that. Bullish buyers stepping back in on a heavy note. Buyers pushing that jump way up. Way up. I feel blessed. Frenzy rub buying right now. Give me a little red flags for selling. That's why I have my trailing stops. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's telling me the health of the sellers are not so good. So we'll see. We need sellers to step back in the next like minute or two. We definitely need to take it back below 1.09995 lows. And if we don't, then I'm not selling no more. That's how dynamic I am. I don't care. Shit, it's just a trade. It's in the past now. If it ain't working, it ain't working. Y'all feel me? So we'll find out in real time. If I'm right, if I'm wrong, I'm still gonna collect something. Ah. My bad, y'all. It's Friday. Yeah, I know I can be a little bit more giddy on Friday. I'm ready for the weekend. I already started sipping, I'm not gonna lie. Shit. Okay. That's what happens when you can trade. Like, I wouldn't advise trading in under the influence, but I just started because I'm gonna be done in like the next hours, less than that. So I'm doing what I'm doing. But yeah, if you can't handle it, that means you actually know your system and you know everything you're doing. I mean, even right now, like y'all see, like my stop loss is placed where I put it for a reason. I put it where I put it for a reason, and that's all y'all really need to know is that I put it there for a reason. There's no like nothing else I can really explain right now unless you purchase my private mentoring. But yeah, this is just what is happening in real time. Like y'all can see what does this bar say. What does this bar say? I want to show y'all how real this time is. That's a moving average. I want to see that price bar. I want to see the price bar. What does the moving average say? This other time, 16:14, 7:28. So, like I said, in Chinatown is 9:15 p.m. So, y'all can see the real time. And if it does break above, I'm not gonna buy it because to me it's choppy. It's telling me the conditions for the day, the rest of the day is more than likely grindy, and there's nothing I can really do about that. I just gotta just kind of wait it out. It's been about 45 minutes and I haven't gotten a win yet. Normally, if I'm not winning by the hour mark, I'm gonna call it a day just because I don't want to force it. So far, we have like less than 15 minutes remaining until I'm pretty much done for the day for Euro USD. It's Friday, so I do expect this to kind of happen around the US session. I did choose to trade this today. So this is one loss, and then this will be break even. So I'm not sweating it. I would love to definitely see something happen, but there's no hoping. It's more expectations. So I expect something to happen, but I don't know. Well, let the market decide. I definitely know where I'll be getting out, though. There's no bargaining with that. There's no debate about that. I'm definitely getting out. Breaks above 1.10055 just because 55 is the last little hope I have. Not hope, but that's the last little evidence I have of bears taking control. If not, that means they failed a couple times. We're boxing up in range. I don't like that, so I'm gonna show y'all right now. Oh yeah, we're gonna be in like a range if that stop loss is triggered, and it's not that great, like I said, but hey, at least I know. So it'll be like a 7 pip range. It doesn't have to get hit, but it can. So I'm always prepared to get out in case it's not in my favor. just letting y'all know there's no emotions attached to these trades. There's just only expectations. Of course, I expect something to happen, or else I wouldn't be getting into the trade. Doesn't that make sense? Like, don't you expect something to happen? Like, there's no like genie magic to it. It's just you expect this to happen or not. If you expect it to happen, you take the trade. If you don't expect it to happen, you stand, you sit out. Like, that's it. Like, yes or no. There's no in between, no maybes. Whew. Looks like we're getting out of that little chop zone. That pullback area was a little rough, a little rugged. I could enter another trade right now, but I don't want to do that just because I'm not like that advanced yet. Maybe in the future I'll be entering trades around this area once I have more confirmation. But I gotta do a lot of research, back testing, and forward testing before I do make that hypothesis a reality. So everything that I do on the charts has been thoroughly back tested, forward tested, um, retested, done in live market conditions. Everything, everything I'm doing on this chart right now has been done thousands of times over the past years. So that's why I'm like certain about certain points in the market. I know what I'm trading. Yeah, I could be wrong. So I also have like a safeguard for that in case I am wrong. I know how to protect myself. Trading is tough, y'all. Like when if you've been following me along this whole journey, when I sit down here on this chair, I'm sitting in my computer chair in my office right now. When I sit down here, I have absolutely no fucking clue what's gonna happen. Like I don't fucking know. Like I pull up the charts and I'm like, I don't know what type of day it is. Like if it's trending or if it's been low movement, if it's been great movement. I literally don't know. I just log into my platform. I'm like, we could get that, maybe not. So that's just how I am. Like I'm gonna collect some more profit now. So as y'all can see, we dripping again. So I'm gonna trail this stop loss because I want to reward myself for being patient. Right above here, collect 2.8 pips. It ain't nothing compared to what I'm trying to collect. I'm trying to collect 3R up in the junk, but even 2R is decent. Seeing from where I entered. Let's just see where I entered because I don't mind 2R, 9 pips. We're currently up 15, so like 18 pips would be right here. So this would be 2R. So let's say, give or take, I do get 2R. So let's just say if I do get 2R in profits, I'm willing to take that profit. Y'all understand what I'm saying? But I need to see price action play out. So right now we're currently sitting at like 1.5R in the money, and this is still a profitable day. But I don't know. I do believe that we're gonna keep going down, and that's just my hard hypothesis. As y'all can see, I'm still selling. The sell is still active. But if we don't have enough magnitude in the next couple of minutes, several minutes, I'm gonna get out at 2R. So just showing you all the update. You seeing how when I got in, you see where I'm at right now. Just waiting. Just patience. Like I can't control when the market moves and how it moves. I just placed my order and now I am waiting. It's definitely not bad. This is definitely my last trade of the day because New York Stock Exchange is gonna open in a few minutes. And I want to get caught up in that mess. Yeah, we dropped down below these most recent minute lows. I'm gonna trail this to even tighter. Collect like maybe at least 1 hour. I'm not nervous. I don't really give a crap about the buyers. They don't scare me. They already had a couple times, a couple attempts up and they failed. The buyers failed this time. Trail it right above this past like 3 minute highs. I can read, y'all. I can read. I'm literate. I can read. For those of you that are sitting there like, yo, how does he know this? I am 100% literally reading price action. What is happening? I'm reading it. Like whether I'm right or wrong, I can read. I'm literate. I'm fluent in reading price action. Some of y'all chose Spanish class or French or Chinese or Thai or whatever y'all learn. I chose the charts. I got married to the charts. I married to the game. Like I picked trading. I picked forex. Like I picked price action, stocks. Like I learned how to read this junk. Like took some years, but I know one day it's gonna pay off. Learn how to read money, how to talk money. Shit, it's been like 30 minutes, 31 minutes and 16 seconds and counting. Been reading this whole thing to y'all. Like even when I was wrong, like I'm currently up on a day still, but that can change. I can have a losing day. It happens. Who gives a damn? We're in like a little range right now, so like price. I'm gonna show y'all this cross here. I don't really like when this does happen. So price went to a swing high. We popped on down right there. Y'all see that trend line, and then we went from that swing low of the session, to another swing high to retest those highs. So there we go again. And then we came from these highs and we are retesting those lows. So there we go again. And to me personally, I don't like when the market does this. So I'm going to 100% trail my stop loss if we even get down further. If not, I'm going to keep it where it's at, 100% sure. But yeah, we're in a range. I'm going to mark this off with the horizontal line down below. And yeah, we're in like a congested area. So I don't like that. Maybe we have reached some lows for real. And we might start going back up. But I might be done for the day at this point. Call it a day. Last day of the week, we could be trapped. So we'll see what happens. No hoping. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't give a damn. Call this a day. What am I up, by the way? If I'm up by like 1 hour, that's also great. Not necessarily 1 hour yet. I'm up by like 0.8 hour. So close to break even, but I'm going to keep my trade, keep everything open. Exactly the way I want it. But I'm going to trail the stop. My trailing stop is a little too tight. I like to keep it like right above a certain area. So I'm going to collect 1.8 pips if I lose. It is what it is. Traded well today. Pretty fair. It was a good movement, so I was going for the 2.5. Didn't even hit 2R, so following along with the price action. What is this? What do we have here, y'all? What do we have here? We about to crash. We about to crash out. Hit them lows. We about to just fuck around. I need to get up. I need to take a little stand up break. I've been sitting in this fucking chair for like almost an hour. I'll be back. We're still watching the charts. Looks like we about to hit my stop loss, maybe. Unfortunately, we'll see. We will see. Getting tired, y'all. Literally, the U.S. stock market opens in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna have to trade those soon. So if this don't hit, then it don't hit. But I'll close out. I'm gonna transition over to the stocks afterwards and day trade those for a little while. I'm getting tired of this. This is boring. Ain't shit happening right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna trim my stop loss even tighter now. A little bit of this trash happening. Not too tight, but I'm definitely gonna keep it right above here at 3 pips. I expect, like I said, I don't hope. I expect it to go down from this right here, 1.10015. Y'all can see it just revisited, if you're familiar, a psychological area, 1.100 psych zone, right around here. So let's see if we react to that. Pretty nice. That'd be great. But if not, I'll get the fuck out. My bad for the profanity. I just don't give a damn. I don't give a shit. Probably get like 5 or 10 of y'all viewers anyways. Damn. Damn. All right, I'm gonna look at different pairs right now. So LAMAs, this is trending pretty bearish all day, but it's like it went up recently. So I'm gonna check this one out. I was gonna take some shorts earlier, but I was like I said, I was running errands, so couldn't even touch that. This is in some garbage range. Check that out later next week. Meta looks pretty bullish, but yesterday was a little upsetting, so I don't know what it's gonna do on the open. Wait for the gap. It should happen in the next minute or two. So I'm gonna look at Meta. Look at Amazon. Where's that shit at? Look at Meta. Look at Amazon. We just had a minute, so nothing in this gap. Amazon was actually not that great neither. Wait for that gap. There's that gap. It's been bullish gap. Beautiful. I expected a gap too. That's the crazy part. I did expect a gap. Amazon, Meta, Apple. Apple's kind of congested. I don't really like it, but it is bullish. It is still going up. Whichever one gives me the best trend within the next like 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna trade it. Google, everything. Nasdaq was trash earlier. I did mention that in the video right earlier. Nasdaq wasn't that great, but we'll see what happens. We are fairly bullish on this. That's awesome to see. I want to see if it continues on up though. I'm gonna get back to the Euro US dollar. Maybe I'm still in it. Maybe I got stopped out. I don't really know. It's been like 3 minutes. That's a lot of time on the minute chart. Okay, we're still in this. Still have some hope. I don't like it. Looks like they might be going up. We are definitely congested. We're definitely in the range at this point. So anything above this high, I'm getting out. It's going to collect what I got and just call it a quits. I do expect price to crash down. I don't want it to be chilling in this little mid zone. I call this no man's land. I don't want to be chilling here for that long. So if I do take an L, it's going to be right around here. Y'all can see that, right? So that means that these bears are not strong at all. And I will 100% get out. But we'll see. See right now. About to trail this like real tight and aggressively. Whew. I'm tired, y'all. Long day, 9:32 p.m. out here in China. People are just getting up in the east coast of the U.S. and New York. I'm just getting my day finished so long. Like I wake up and I'm still here trading when other people are waking up. Crazy, yo. Look at these stocks too, because I'm also trading the stock market for like 30 minutes to an hour before I'm done with the day. Just give me all that little heads up. tired, yo. I do this every day too, Monday through Friday. You get no breaks. You want to be the greatest, you gotta do this. You gotta go through this process. You want to be the greatest. Everybody that's great goes through this type of stuff, no matter what. Currently up 1%, so it's still good. I can call it a day and break even at the lows of this range, or I can just wait. Um, Actually, I'm gonna try my stop more aggressively, so I'm gonna collect 4 pips. It does go up against me. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna collect that. Well, I'm expecting something, but if it don't work out, I'm gonna look at everything else. Let me check out Nvidia as well. Stocks. I'm more interested in these now. So we gap up, we pull back, we have confirmation north. I'm gonna start marking this one on up. I'm gonna pick my favorites, and I'm gonna go roll with those. Been about 4 minutes since the open. Everything's been doing the same thing. So I couldn't find Visa for some reason. Let me see what's going on here, because like this is really not cool. Like for some reason, um, show all. There we go. It wasn't showing. Now it's showing it. Okay. Bank of America is right here. So chart window. I was watching this earlier. Visa is right here. I was like, did my broker take this off? AT&T is right here. So these are 3 that I wanted to take a look at. And this chart for y'all. And yes, I'm still watching Euro USD, but it's not looking so great. Might have to just call it a day. We are at the lows of this range. More than likely, I should take profit right here. Collect 1 hour. Um, I just like my stop loss. I like it. Regardless of what, I'm gonna keep my stop. Sometimes you gotta be a little strict. That's Tesla's looking a little trash right now. That's my swing trade. Um, I am up. I'm still up, by the way. Those of y'all that are wondering, what's he doing? I'm up. Up, yo. I'm gonna trail my stop loss if we keep going down. Right above this most recent high, so I'm gonna collect at least 1 hour. Just wait. I gotta see more confirmation of sellers stepping in. So I'm gonna collect 1 hour, just about. It's 9 pips right there. It's a little bit. 25 R. Still want it to be above here. My own experience. I'm not super experienced yet on that. I go with what I feel comfortable with. Okay, just do what you feel like. So even if it does crash below here, we're in like a 3 wave range, and I don't like that. Okay, so now let me look at these stocks. Y'all can see I'm very dynamic. I could trade things simultaneously. I don't have a problem with that. Yeah, this is bearish. I mean, not bearish. This is bullish. Um, Preferably, I like to see Visa pop above 238.40 highs to be more bullish. So I'm gonna let that one sit. Um, this one didn't gap so great. We're still kind of sitting in bearish territory on T-Mobile. It's T-Mobile on a daily, or AT&T. It's kind of bearish on a daily, so kind of do need to see that move on up. Oh, some great news! I'm looking at my phone as well, so I can see what's going on in the euro still. We're up more. By the way, Looks like it's moving down. We'll check that out in a minute. Mobile. That's Visa or AT&T. Visa. Bank of America. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, Bank of America is bullish, but I like it. Looks like we can trade this today. It got up, it went down for a fake out of that gap up. Just kind of looking at everything right now. I like this one. I'm gonna bring this one way to the left where my primary pairs are. Yes, I trade everything, like I said. So I could collect 1R on this Euro USD if it's still kind of lagging. Not gonna lie, it's kind of a little upsetting right now because I don't really see much promise from this pair. Been in it for like a while now. Yeah, this is Euro right here. You can see. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna like trail it. You know what? I could close out right now. I could and just wait for the break of this. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close out right now. I'm gonna collect about 1R on this if it pops above this most recent high. Just because I don't favor things that aren't working out for me. Simple enough. That's like so I'll be down by I'll be pretty much break even on this for the day. Basically saying it's not working out in my favor, and that's totally fine. I don't wanna marry this trade. I'm sitting this forever and it's not working out good. So better something, you know. See if it wants to pop on up. Keep it right there. See how it's kind of like testing those highs. I really want to see it like really like make that move on up to my stop, and then I'm out. Let's see the thrust. Yeah, see that's a thrust. That's not good. 1.2, I'll be out. So break even for Euro USD look like. Don't look like that junk is going on up or going on down. So out of that, it's pretty much break even, like I said. So I'm gonna wait because you can see what's happened. It's consolidating sideways by sideways. So I'm 1-1. I know this could pop on down still, but I don't want to take any signal in this. I know that below these most recent minute lows, it could pop down, but you know, it's all good. I gotta wait for it to break this range, anyways. We've been in this for the past hour and 10 minutes. So it's Friday. It can do these things, kind of like what it did up here earlier. How it was like ranging and had a false breakout north and it dropped. It's kind of ranging again. We're getting nowhere. Give me all that little heads up. Break even for that. It's all good, y'all. It's all good. Come back later. Alert right here, maybe. I'm not trading it, by the way. I could short it again. I absolutely can. Oh, what are you doing? Might short it, motherfuckers. Don't do it, Baja. Don't do it. No, it's been about an hour and 10 minutes. I still got some time to get jiggy with it. Just waiting. Right after I get stopped out, if it does do something, I might get in. Let's give it a minute or two. Forgot to tell y'all. After I get stopped out, I do have another strategy that I've mastered as well. It's to get me back into trades that just get stopped out. It's like I gotta move for everything, and I advise y'all to do the same. So for me, I have strategies, but I also have strategies around my strategies. So hypothetically speaking, let's just say, like, for example, a real example, if that trade just got stopped out, I used to walk away and then come back and be like, oh damn, I had the right move, but my stop loss got hit, and that's the same thing that happens right here. So we seen that exact move. I collected 1 hour, but I'm gonna go for another one because yeah, we are in that little choppy range, but to me, we're still bearish, regardless of it being a range or not. So I'm gonna hit that in just a minute. I always give it like a few seconds. I don't just go right in. Price is tricky like that. My hands is on the trigger right now, but we're gonna have to see this past minute low broken. This is what I mean by being literate and reading price action. So currently break even for the day, pretty much, give or take. Might be a little difference in the trade just by like a pip or two. Yeah, I remember when I got in where I got in. I got in way up here. I took it on here. My stop loss was like right around here. So it's about 1 hour. No trade yet. I gotta see this confirmation. Also, we cannot, okay, this is part of my rule. Cannot breach the highs of 1.10008. If we do, it's a avoided trade and I'm gonna walk away. See what I mean? I'm literate. You lose. Also read. Yeah, we are going down, y'all. Okay, my bad, my bad. I abandoned my trades. My bad, y'all, my bad. This was 4.7. Beautiful. 732. A little under 1%. And we're gonna go for like 3 R's down there, but it's just trash movement. So we're go for like 2.5 R. This will be a loss, and I'll be down by 1 R for the day. That jump just went. Shoo, shoo. Tricky, tricky. Like I said, I'm telling y'all, I don't know everything. See, Bank of America. Bullish, bearish, go back. Nope, I don't want to trade that. Oh, this is nice. Get a pop above 131. I'm gonna buy that shit. That jump. Y'all know that. Amazon is on the menu. Yeah, I like Amazon out of everything right now. Oh, this is righteous. Meta is looking good too. Meta's looking real good. So Meta and Amazon, which one has a better daily? I like Meta too. I had to pick. Let me just stick with what I like. Meta and Amazon. I'm looking at those two right now. But I do like Meta. I like Amazon a little bit better. Let's see your shit. Okay, I took 1 R loss on Euro USD. It's not really working out for me today, so unfortunately, I'm done with that for the day. But let me take a look at Amazon. See what's going on here. Euro USD looks like we are ranging sideways, 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 sideways. Nothing good. So to let y'all know, this is how it is sometimes. It's a Friday. It can be a little, hectic. But that's that. I'm gonna go to Amazon now. See if I can get something on here. Break above the most recent highs. Getting that little pop. I like what I see. Oh, that's it. 37. I gotta have to do 99 lots, yo. Now y'all see why I do 99 lots. 60. That's it, yo. 120. How many of these I gotta do? $40. I gotta do like 13 of these. Ah, this is crazy. Like my broker only allows me to do 99. Let's see if they allow me to do it 100. Hey, I could do 100. Okay. 130. I could do a what? Really? Okay, I could do 130 lot on this broker. Okay. Well, how about I do like a fucking 160? My bad, yo. I didn't even know I could do over 99 lot. And yes, I'm still tracking my stops. Don't worry. This is the biggest lot size y'all seen. 160 lot. I'm getting in that jump right there. 30. Damn, bro, what you risking? Nothing. That's what I'm risking. He finishes, so I'll put 200 lot. Let's see if they let me do 200 lot. Yo, if you let me do 200 lot, I'm gonna be hyped. Give me that 200 lot real quick. And I'll show you my reward to risk in a minute. Give me that 200 lot, y'all. So far, I'm down by 1 R for the day. It's all good. It's all love, y'all. It's all love. Or it's been like an hour long. Okay, they gave me a 200 lot. Okay, so at least I know this now. That's it. That's the maximum I'm doing. Let me see my profit target. All this damn stops. I'm risking about 10 pips. Let me go for about like 25 or 2.5. Turn this on. 25 pips is pretty much at the higher end of the screen. It's my last trade of the day. You can see Euro USD at the higher end of this range. I don't like it, like I've been saying. It's not doing much, you know. At least I got out where I did. Unfortunately, I took 1 R loss, so I'm down by 1% for the day so far. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. I still have some Amazon trades. Risking probably like about 1% total on this. We'll see what's up. risking 1% or maybe like 2.5%, 3% of the day of trading, y'all. At least I can record this whole entire video and I can show y'all that I do trade. Like Euro USD was not a great trading day. Like I can even go back to it. I can go back and forth and still nothing. Like I wouldn't even buy this. I know it could possibly go up, but the fact that we had fake outs to the high, we had a drop down low, and it didn't want to continue. Now we're in a big ass range. So yes, it's possible to buy this right here, but I don't really want to do that. Just kind of over it. I'm just gonna go with my stocks. So I'm gonna call it an L on the Euro USD today. I've been on this for about an hour, a little over an hour, and nothing really happened. Not too interested in this anymore. I could take another trade, but I don't know if I want to. Maybe if we pop above these highs again, I might take another Euro USD long just to kind of even it out. See if I can get a last minute trade. Amazon, we're still working our way. See what's up in just a moment. Get above this most recent minute highs, and I might go buy. We are northbound, and I'm not going to ignore that. We could be long now. Now I'm going to do a dual screen split. Euro USD and Amazon. Where's Amazon? Yeah, I can see simultaneously, side by side. I'm trading them both. Amazon's looking like trash, by the way. Wow. What a fake out. It's not good at all. Mark off some lows right here. 129.91 is where I'm looking at. Oh shoot. I'm a little bit late to this, but I got in on that. Let's see that on the left. Euro US dollar. It's about 8 pips, and I'm gonna go for about 20, about 2.5 R. I could break even on this and actually be up by 1 hour if this does go up. Daily highs. We'll see. My last trade on Euro US dollar. Only reason why I did end up deciding on go for 3R. Only reason why I did decide on taking this trade on Euro US dollar because I was only down by I took one loss, then I took one okay trade, and then I took another loss. So I figured it's still about an hour and a half. It's been like less than an hour and a half, so I still have time to get into another trade. So it did break that range. We were caught up in a range, but it didn't take on a break. So it's telling me that it was a true reversal, and I could possibly take it up north. We'll see. And then this right here, Amazon, sitting at a potential loss, but I got to drag everything to lowest point. Amazon reset right here. I just want to make sure everything is below there. There we go. Euros to the left. See just how far this one goes. Word, look at that Europe US dollar. Oh my God, y'all see that? Whoa, that's 3R right there. So that means I'm up by 2R for the day on the Euro USD if this goes up. Y'all don't see that, right? Y'all see this in real life. And I call this shit out too. Like I was like, yo, watch this, y'all. Goodness. I hope Amazon does that too. That'd be beautiful. I should just show y'all. I really do this. Like, don't get shit twisted. Everything's been recorded, documented. There's no news neither. This is just by default. Like I called it. Amazon's looking like trash though, so maybe we don't end up taking a win on Amazon. That Euro's looking beautiful. Amazon, the problem is I could have picked a different stock. It is a NASDAQ pair, so trail the stop loss to at least break even, collect something. But I'm willing to collect at least. This is 3R that I'm going for. Wow, profit hit. Y'all see that? Profit hit beautifully, right to the T, right to the freaking T, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful, right on the dot. So I'm up 2R on Euros USD. I just seen that, right? I'm currently up 2R on Euro USD. That was it. That was 2R. And now I'm officially done with Euro. So that's just to show y'all I just caught a winning day on Euro USD in front of y'all. And now I'm gonna pay attention to Amazon because it looks like it's possibly hitting some swing lows. If it does fail, then I'm gonna be in a gray zone. So Euro USD, we're finished. Done with the day. I'm happy with my trade. I know it could potentially keep on going up, but we've been like kind of messing around all day. We're at daily highs again, and we're a couple hours into that session, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. Let's focus on Amazon now, y'all. So I caught that Euro USD. I'm up. I did that thing in front of y'all. Amazon now. Let's see if we can rise from these lows. I'm not sure. It has been a little bit kind of like whipsawy. Need to see these highs of 130, 133 broken, and then maybe we can get some thrust on up. Let's see what happens, y'all. So far, it's been an hour and 10 minutes of recording. I like my stop losses where they're at, so fails, it fails. Goes, it goes. Beautiful trading wheel though. It's great to the team. And I did call that one on out too. Currently, I'm up by 3R on that trade, minus 1R, so total 2R on that trade. And I call that out in front of everybody. But even if I lose this one right here on Amazon, it's all good because it's still a great day. Just giving y'all that little heads up. Okay, let's see what happens here. Is it recording? Yeah. See what happens here. All right, all right, all right. Just waiting, y'all. Okay, we're getting a little lift off right here. So I'm still gonna wait, but y'all see this live. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. This whole recording will be uploaded, by the way. Just so those of you that are naysayers can really see I does this. And my fans and my students, my supporters, y'all can also just be motivated Your boy really do be trading. Win or loss is all documented. I'll go back to these trades one day, this video, and be like, damn, I came a long way. The journey could be like this for you as well if you just put in the work. You feel me? I put in the work. I put it in. That's why I'm seeing the results. I don't know what's just gonna happen. We could still take a loss. We're in like that three. I don't really like this though. I don't like this. I'm gonna close them out. I feel like closing some out right now. If we do break these lows, I'm gonna mark this on up right here. I'm gonna close some of these trades out. If we break the lows of 130.99, I'm gonna close some of those out. I don't really like it. We're just going sideways now. We're not really thrusting on up like I was expecting. I don't want to really mess with my P&L for the day. I like to trade stocks, but sometimes it can do this. Not much is happening, and then you're just sitting there like, ah, shoot, darn it. Even Bank of America, like, this is the last chance opportunity for it to go up. If it doesn't pop up at this point, it's also going to be kind of trash. Looking at Meta, Meta's doing pretty good today. I'm not gonna lie. Meta's beautiful. Nice uptrend, continuation. That little false move right there. But yeah, we break above 320.70 on Meta. That'll be awesome to see. It's also Nasdaq tech stock. Ooh, beautiful. Nice. All right, y'all. I'm gonna trail my stop loss officially now. Just a minute. Trail. Y'all see where it's at right now. I'm risking about way less than what I was risking before. This is like half of what I was. This is way less than that. This is like 0.3 R that I'm risking, that I'm losing right now. So worst case scenario, I'm gonna lose 0.3 R. We are breaking up above that range. So I don't expect it to pop on back down. And if it does, I'm getting out as soon as possible. Y'all see what it is. You'll see it live in real time. Want to just be clear with everybody, you know. That's really how I trade. Kobe. I'm actually gonna get out some of these. I want to keep on going, messing around here. I'm trying all these stops aggressively because I don't want any jack thing up in here. I'll get up out of here. Call it a day. I'm tired, y'all. I'm telling you, it's Friday. I'm tired. If this shit don't go up, I'm done. Did this in front of y'all in real time. I don't know, y'all. If we break above these most recent 3-minute highs, I might trail this even more aggressively. I do like the way it's moving now, but it's still kind of like, you know, hesitant, a little timid. I don't really see much happening right now in price action, so I'm getting ready to trail this more tight, not too tight yet. Don't want it to be too tight, you know. Still need a little bit of loosening up in there. See what happens. I don't like things too tight. Can't fit. Let's see. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let the market work it out a little bit. Video is definitely not for kids. Yo, what's going on, motherfucker? Do you want to break up, or do you want to just break up? Like, we done. What's going on? See what I'm saying? Like, it's just hesitant. I need to see a thrust. We just broke a range. What's going on, y'all? We just broke a range high. Here we go. Follow through. Come on. Get it? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come more up in here. This one we definitely try. Yes, sir. So pretty much, I'm in a risk-free trade for a lot of my trades. Ah, damn it. Everything is pretty much getting to that risk-free point. So it's a winning day. It's another winning day. I did this in front of y'all. Whatever happens, I'm gonna just watch as price. Ooh, nice. Y'all see that? Ooh. Damn. This guy doesn't know how to trade. Oh my god, he was losing and now he's up. Really? How does he do that? Because I does this, y'all. I does this shit daily. In front of y'all. Go back to my last videos. Go back to my video like 6 months ago. I'll still be winning. I take losses, but I still win. Break even day on this Amazon, but overall I'm up by 2R for the day. So this is probably like not even 1R. It's like 0.5R total that I'm losing if I do lose. And I'll be up 1.5R for the day. So everything is documented. I'm truthful. I'm honest. I might have some like profanity and just joking around on this video. But in the end, I am still a transparent guy. I'm very serious with what I do. Sometimes you got to have a little fun with it and just enjoy the process. That's what I'd be doing. I enjoy my process. I do this every single day, Monday through Friday. I don't really like trading on Mondays. I have swing trades open on Mondays, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I do actively day trade on the minute chart. And then Mondays, I look for swing trades. Sundays, I don't trade. Saturdays, I don't trade. Those are my own days off. But I still practice on those days. I have a simulator called Forex 5. I use that on the weekends just to simulate certain trades for like a couple hours on Saturday and Sunday. And I still do my research. I do some reading. I update my websites. I follow with my private coaching students. I still do work. So I'm still a serious guy. It's just y'all can see this is kind of what it is. I look to trail and stop way more aggressively now. I don't know why, but MetaTrader 4 won't let me. There we go. Let's see. Bitch asses. Trail this. I want to get super aggressive now. If it does come back in this range, I don't want to give back anything that I gained today. It's Friday, so I want to actually just end my week in a good mood. Some of these trades are even break even, so I'm just giving y'all that little heads up. Wow, that's how y'all want to be. That's how y'all want to be. I play in the green zone. Motherfuckers don't want to do that. What's going on with y'all? Hey, whatever. I'm just gonna close it manually on my phone. So let's see. Because at this point, if we don't have that continuation up north, I'm gonna close out. This is pretty much a flat trade. I wouldn't even call this break even, just probably minus 0.3R, give or take. So I'll still be up like 1.7R on the day. Being honest, this is all honesty. This is all price action reading, one-on-one in front of y'all. You can see what's happening. Not shit is happening. Really not much. I expect. Man, what's wrong with this trade? I'm gonna put it at 131.07. For some reason, it's already up there. Okay. I guess it's a platform. It's not really showing that this trailing stop is up there, but it is up there. See, 131.07. Over some years, y'all will get comfortable with trading like me. I'm comfortable with like showing y'all what I'm doing. So yeah, that trailing stop is really right here. So yeah, I like that. But yeah, breaking price action, it's not easy, but it's not impossible. And once you do make it possible, then it's pretty much straightforward. Like I said, it's just like I don't know, every other job, I guess. Like, you got to do things right, and there's a wrong way to do things as well. So there's also a wrong way to read price action. So just giving you all that heads up. Like, you still got to be responsible and know exactly what you're reading, but for the most part, it's straightforward. I know what the market's telling me right now. It's pretty. Whoa. Mosquito up in this room. That's buzzing in my ears. Find you, I'm gonna get you. Wash, wash. Yeah. So, this could be it right here. By the way, I'm just giving y'all a little heads up. This does not look so great. Does not look so good. I might be flat on this trade, so I might be up 1.7 hours a day. It's totally fine. It's another winning day. Day 9 on my win streak, by the way. This is day 9 of the win streak. So, yeah. And this is pretty much break even. If y'all can see, these trades are losing, but these trades are winning. So it kind of does even out. So I would call this like maybe minus 0.1 R at most, but it is a flat trade. Just to let y'all know, because I had to enter at different areas. But yep, whew, tired. 10:21 over here, and I'm ready to end the day. This buy does not want to go up right now. We are getting out. Definitely. Let's see what the Euro USD is doing after all that noise. Y'all see that? It definitely went on up. It definitely broke on out. But it wouldn't have even gave me another 2 R. It would probably give me like 1.5 R and then it pulled back. So yeah, I got in at the perfect trade for the day. I definitely took that home. I recognize that I broke it down in this video that's gonna be uploaded on YouTube and on my website later on. So y'all can actually see I do this. Amazon's struggling. Oh, nice. We got a little pop, but I don't know what that's doing. There's no promises. Bank of America. See, I picked the right pair because this one, trash, garbage. We're in the range of Bank of America. See, I can read price action, y'all. Don't let my demeanor fool you. Don't sit there like, oh my God, it's this guy. He got dreadlocks. He's his brother with dreads. Like, he don't know how to day trade. What is he talking about? He's a scammer. This is not a scam. I haven't even got nothing for sale. Meta, nice, beautiful. Would have had a pop up, but would have been a little fake out. And another one right now. Meta's kind of going through the same thing that Amazon was going through. Even Amazon, I like Amazon, but I'm gonna trail the stop loss way up higher. 130, 133. Do y'all see that? Wow. So I'm gonna get out at 130, 133 for most of my pairs right now. So if it does hit 130, 133, I'm getting out. And that is actually break even. So that's more than break even. That's like point like 1 R. So I'd be actually up. So that's gonna be where I'm gonna get out. Worst case scenario. I'm reading it by the tick, by the way. I'm putting it on my phone. So you heard that? That's my phone being triggered. See, when you could read every tick or just about, it does become like a lot easier. I mean, it's hard to like get to this level to be able to read every tick, but it's rewarding, I guess. I can do this for the rest of my life and be like, okay, I'm getting out here, I'm getting out there. This doesn't look good. This looks great. I'm surprised. Like I have such little views on YouTube, such a little following. It's crazy because like I'm literally one of the only ones that can actually do this. Like I read the markets not just by like the day or week or fucking hour. I read it by the tick. Like we're on the 1 minute, the 1M, the M1. Y'all see that? I can't go any lower. M1, y'all. You see that? Like cannot go lower than that. And I'm reading it by the tick. And 130, 133, you're gonna see more SLs popping up on this anytime. Let me zoom in. One thirty, 133 is where I'm getting out most of my trades. I don't want to take any more chances. And I'll be actually up by 0.1 R on that. So look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, look at. You're gonna see a lot of orders being stopped out right now if it does go down below there. You see that? It's bouncing from that area, y'all. I don't see that. This is life. This is real life. People can actually do things that you may not have ever imagined people can do. I know some people that could like lift like 4 times their body weight. Why? Because they can just do it. You see that SL to the far left corner? Damn, you see that? Took out all those orders, so I'm officially done. So that Amazon is gonna be pretty much break even. I'm closing it out on my phone as I speak. See that? On my phone, as I said. So Amazon is not really doing that great. I know it could break up more, but all in all, I'm up 1,900 for the day, so that's actually more. I'm gonna show y'all this on my This is gonna be uploaded on my freaking thing. Damn, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm up 1,900 on the day. So I'm gonna show y'all this on my Twitter and on my IG. I know Amazon could go up more. I believe it will. This might even just been like a little false move, but it's been sorry, it's been about an hour, and I haven't really seen much promise. Like if I got in earlier, yeah, I would have definitely caught like 9 pips. Would have been up by like 0.5 R. And this could be a long, but just like Euro USD, I don't want to take that chance. So I know that if we could hop on up, but that's it for the day, y'all. I'm totally up. If y'all want to see, y'all don't believe me. Here, you see that 102. See the account history 2385, and if I show the custom period from today 1995. Just want to show y'all. So those of you that are like, oh no, he's lying, here in your face. Everything that I just took, everything that I just said, even the first loss before the recording, is right here. Okay, so I'm up on the day. I'm up about 2R for the day total. And this will be uploaded on my videos, my YouTubes, everything. This is day number 9. Was it day 9 of my win streak? Let me follow up. Let me check. You know, you lose count after a while too. This is just crazy. This is day 10. I'm on a 10-day win streak, y'all. Come on now. 10-day win streak. And I'm not going to slow down anytime soon. And even if I take an L, it's I'm going to come back way harder too. So here we are, everything done, documented, done and dusted. Realistically, I had two losses. Don't even count that $2 bill. So what was this really? What really was this? If I was risking, you see that? So I'm actually up more than that. I'm up by like 2.2 R. Let's just give or take. I'm gonna give myself that bonus. Up 2.2 R. That initial loss was 900, and the other loss was 700, so that wasn't even one whole R. And then I made 2,800. So say I risked 800, I made like 3.2 R plus this additional like 0.2 R. Let's just round it down to 2 R. I mean 2.2. So I'm up 2.2 R on the day. There y'all go. Everything has been documented. Thank you very much. I'm gonna upload this in an hour and 35 minutes. Yes, we can still go up on Amazon. I do believe we are. But you know what? I got other trades going. I have a swing trade on Tsla. I've been waiting for this. I don't know what's going to happen. We gapped up and we are following through. Look how close it was to my stop loss, by the way. Yeah, oh, I didn't even see that. Yesterday, it came like right next to my stop loss. That's how y'all know I could read price action. If it hits my stop, there's a reason. And if not, hey, there's a reason. So that's it for today. Euro USD still kind of going into that congestion again. Let me show y'all again. 1, 2, 3 wave consolidation. I can do this all day. I practice everything that I do. Precision is matters. Look at that. We're in a range right now. Y'all want to measure that range. I'm done with Euro USD, by the way. I'm not trading this. I'm done for the week. Happy. 15 pip range. So wait for the breakout and see what happens, or breakdown. But that's it for the day, y'all. Glad y'all been here. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, God. You know, I want to buy this, but you know, it's all good. I took my trade. I took my L. I'll come back next week stronger. Y'all see that? Still going in my favor. It's all good. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. I do like this trade, but you know, discipline tells me, hey, it's been an hour, bro. Time to log out. I know it's gonna go up, but I have other trades. Like I said, I have this is what swing trading comes in handy. Like I have swing trades. I'm gonna let this rock. I know Amazon might go up, might hit that target, but y'all can see everything was smooth. Maybe my stop was too tight. This was a second chance entry. What I'm gonna actually do is I might go in for another 200 lot just to like, you know, just because I'm gonna follow up with this. But for the day so far, so this is gonna be my day intraday trade. So I'm done with my day trading, but I'm gonna have an intraday trade, and then it's gonna be about $1.78. That's nothing. It's like 1/4%, and go for like way up here. This is gonna be like a intraday trade, so I'm gonna close out by the end of the day. And I'm trail my stop as well, so if it doesn't go in my favor, I know what to do. But yep, I 2.2 R for the day, and I'm done. I'm happy. I got to show y'all this, show some documentation, and I'm gonna upload this. And if you want to be taught by me, mentored by me, of the future goal of trading, I'm gonna be a market wizard one day. There's gonna be a link down below in my description box for my private coaching sessions. I'm now accepting applicants. You have to apply, and you don't just get approved. And also going to have a link for my daily updated page for all of my trades that I screenshot. I'm gonna have to do some homework after this and go into TradingView. And in my TradingView, I actually show y'all the exact trades I take, but it's gonna be a little bit of time for me to really make the illustration and stuff. But yeah, everything's gonna be there. But that's it for the day. I'm glad y'all got to take part in this. Congratulations if you made it to the end of the video. You can actually see a real trader trade. I'm not a capper. I don't do screenshots and never show the process. Instagram is crazy, y'all. But yeah, I actually show y'all that I do trade. Day 10 win streak. Ending the week, ending the month with a winning day. Beautiful win. Up for the account. Y'all have a great day. Peace.